Hi, my name is Julian Gasteli. I'm part of the Snackability project, and I will be presenting a demo of the Snackability web app. On the first page, you're going to see Home, Contact Us, and Login. In order to use the Snackability web app, you need to have an account. If you do not have an account, you may request one by clicking Contact Us. This will allow you to fill in your information and request an account from Cristina Palacios. Once you have an account, if you've been approved, you may log in. If you don't like your password, you may also reset your password, or of course, again, if you don't have an account, this would also take you to create an account. Once you sign in, you'll see new things have appeared on the home page, including snacks, snacks graph, admin, snackabilityapp@gmail.com. So most users will have all of this except for admin. The only reason we have admin right now is because we're logged into the admin account. In order to begin using Snackability, we're going to click on Snacks. This will allow us to select a snack that we're considering consuming. For this demo, we're going to use Ocean Spray dried cranberries because we actually had to do some work in order to improve the result for this product. Once they load in, you click on them and you will be prompted to enter the portion size. For this demo, we're going to use 50 grams. Once you have the number in, make sure you're selected to the correct units. The default is grams. Once you've inputted your portion size, you're going to click Calculate Score, and that should calculate your score. Once the score is calculated, you'll see feedback at the top of the screen indicating that this snack is somewhat healthy. This could be better. Likely the reason for this is the calories are not on par and the sugar is not on par, and also it does not have a proper processed food score. So all these criteria will help you determine whether or not you should consume the snack. Some work that we had to do with cranberries on this project was that the sugar score wasn't calculating properly. We fixed that, as well as the process score not working properly. Anyways, once you decide whether or not you will be consuming the snack, you press one of these two buttons. If you were to consume the snack, you press consume. If not, you would return to search, and this will not be counted. For the purpose of this demo, let's say we're going to eat the cranberries. Once you click consume, you will be greeted with a graph of your average points earned daily, as well as your achievements status. So here you can see red apples, golden apples, and all the other achievements. So red and golden apples are kind of a currency of the web app, and they were implemented this semester. For each healthy food that you get, you have a chance of earning achievements based on certain criteria. Here you can see red apples are the easiest to earn and golden apples are more difficult. But the achievements such as Paleo, Salt Bay, and Sugar Fighter are much more specific. All of these were implemented during this semester and they have levels. So these levels represent how many times you've earned the achievement. And that's about it for using Snackability as a user. Now we're going to cover using Snackability as an admin, as well as the new features that we've added for admins. Now we're going to cover using Snackability as an admin, as well as the new features that we've implemented for admins. So admins have a panel where they can manage the users. Here you'll see the name of each user, the email, the role. You can reset the password, you can disable or enable their accounts, and you can delete their accounts. Right now there aren't many users, but when there are, in order to make it easier to find certain users, you can use the search bar. once you go to settings, you'll see there are two new buttons in the Snackability website. These two generate important data about the users of the Snackability web app. When you click on Generate Achievement CSV, you'll be greeted with some data. So this data includes the user ID of every user that uses Snackability, their email, and their achievement status. The reason there isn't any achievement data here for these users is because all their data exists from before the achievements had been implemented. Now we're going to move on to the Generate Snack CSV button. This button generates something a little different. Here we'll see many more entries as well as some new categories, such as snack ID, snack name, brand name, portion, unit, and snack score. If we sort by newer on this data, you'll see our cranberries are here, as well as the portion that we selected, the score, and of course the date, which is today. This way, the user can keep track of the foods that the users are consuming. The reason some foods don't have brand names is because the feature was implemented after the foods were recorded. These two buttons were implemented this semester. As an admin, you also have access to these important buttons. That's about it for new things as an admin on Snackability.